Hi, dear students, for class 6 geography. Today we will discuss new chapter, that is motions of the earth. कितें काय motions of the earth म्हणचे earth संसार where we stay. Now motions of the earth, motion एका जाग्यारसान दुसऱ्या जाग्यार पावप. When I ask you all to move from one place to another place, that is called a motion. You are in motion. गाडी कार तुम्ही कार घेऊन ओ मोटरसायकल घेऊन येतात the motorbike moves from your house, then it moves on the road and it goes to the market or wherever. So car also moves, so that is called motion. The car is in motion. म्हणजे कार वयता हालता वेता तो. Same way earth also have motions and that is called motions of the earth. कितले भाशेचे आसा काय मोशन्स, संसार आमचो कसो हालता काय. सो ह्या लेसनांत ते आमी जाणा जावन घेतले. सो हें अदीक जाणा जावन घेवंक म्हाका दिसता तुमी वाचूंक जाय. यू नीड टू रीड द लेसन. प्लीज मेक दॅट हॅबीट. I have noticed many students are not doing their reading. You need to read again and again. When you read, then only you will upgrade your knowledge. Now motions of the earth. Earth have two types of motions. दोन भाशेचे motions आहा earthak. Two types of motions. One is we called as rotation. The other one we called as revolution. Now rotations म्हणजे कितें? Rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. आता movement of the earth कसो काय? आता आमी समजुया पळय हो हांवें ऑरेंज हाडला ऑरेंज. सो वी कन्सिडर दीस एज अ earth. I am just catching this orange like this. So we consider this as a north pole and this as a south pole. Okay. So हांव ताका मातशें टिल्ड करता पळय, वांकडो करता असो. So movement of the earth on its axis, we will call this as a north axis and southern axis. North pole, south pole. So when it moves, see like this it moves. When it moves on its axis, जेन्ना तो एक्सिसाचेर तुवें घुंवटा, एका आमी म्हणटात रोटेशन, एका आमी म्हणटात रोटेशन. सजमी आतां हो म्हजो मायक आहा, हो म्हजो मायक, हो पळय दिसता तुमकां, हो मायक. ओके. सजमी हो मायक आहा तो सान. हो अर्थ असोच घुंवटा तेन्ना तर ह्या सानाक भोंवडी मारता, असो भोंवडी मारता, एका आमी म्हणटात रेवोल्युशन. रेवोल्युशन जेन्ना संसार सोर भोंवतणी घुंवटा सुर्याक, when the earth goes around the sun, we call this revolution. सेम टायम तो घुंवटा तेन्ना तो रोटेट जायत वयता आपल्या एक्सिसार, तो घुंवत वयता. ओके. वन मोर एग्जांपल आय कॅन गिव यू. आयल शो. आयल जस्ट पास दीस पेन इनटू दीस. ओके. नाव वी कन्सिडर दीस एज अ अर्थ. ओके. So now the axes are tilted. Axes are tilted. Tilted. So if now the earth rotates. Earth rotates. Same way when earth rotates, it will go around the sun. Same way it will go around the sun. When earth goes around the sun, we call it as revolution. जेन्ना संसार सुर्याच्या सौर भोंवतणी घुंवटा तेन्ना आमी ताका रेवोल्युशन म्हणटात. आनी जेन्ना संसार आपल्याच्याच एक्सिसार घुंवटा, एका आमी रोटेशन म्हणटात. असोच घुंवटा तेन्ना ताका आमी रोटेशन म्हणटात. आनी कितें आहा, जेन्ना तो घुंवटा तेज्या एक्सिसार तेन्ना this axis of the earth, which is an imaginary line, we consider this as a north axis and south axis. It is an imaginary line which makes an angle of 66.5 with the orbital plane. Orbital plane म्हणजे संसाराक सुर्याक भोंवडी मारपाक एक सर्कल कसो आहा, इमेजिनरी सर्कल. त्या सर्कलाक आमी ऑर्बिटल प्लेन म्हणटात. सो त्या ऑर्बिटल प्लेनार हो एक एंगल फॉर्म करता. एंगलाचे कितले आहा मेजरमेंट 66.5 degrees. And when this earth axis forms 66.5 degrees in the orbital plane, so it is tilted, slanting kaso jata. The plane formed by the orbit is known as the orbital plane. The plane formed by the orbit. Orbit म्हणजे कितें, तेकी लायन ती गुणपाची, भोंवडी मारपाची. जेन्ना पी.टी. सर ग्रावंडार मार्क करता, सजमया ग्रावंडार कॉक फायट आहा, पी.टी. सर ग्रावंडार रावंड सर्कल मारतलो आनी तितून भितरूच तुमी कॉक फायट करपाचें म्हणटलो. वो एक ट्रॅक मार्क करता पी.टी. सर ग्रावंडार, ट्रॅक लायन मारता चुन्याची, आनी त्या ट्रॅकान तुमी धांवपाचें आसता. सो दॅट इज युअर ट्रॅक. सो ऑर्बिटल प्लेन, ऑर्बीट म्हणजे अर्थाचो ट्रॅक, ऑर्बीट. सो तितून तो त्याच ऑर्बिटान तो सुर्याक भोंवडी मारतलो. सो इट इज गोईंग अरावंड द सन. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ऑर्बिटल प्लेन. नाव वी कन्सिडर दीस एज अ सन. हो आतां आमचो मायक आसा न्हय, हो आमी सन असो धरया. ओके. नाव सपोज इफ आय एम कॅचिंग this here like this, okay, so we'll move this little this side, okay. Okay, yeah. See, we consider this mic as a sun, okay, and you see, suppose this is the sun, the light of the sun will fall on the earth. हिंगा ब्रायट दिसता न्ही, ह्या भागाक तितले लायट ना पळय, ह्या भागाक हिंगा ब्रायट दिसता. सो द लायट ऑफ द सन फॉल्स ऑन द अर्थ. पळयलां कशें आहा तें. वी कन्सिडर दीस मायक्रोफोन एज अ सन, हेजी लायट अतार पडटा. हें ऑरेंज आहा तें आतां अर्थ कसो, फॉर द एग्जाम्पल. सो द लायट फ्रॉम द सन फॉल्स ऑन द surface of the earth. The portion facing the sun, the portion of the earth facing the sun will experience day, while the other portion which is away from the sun will experience night. The circle that's divide, आता circles that divide म्हणजे हिंगच्यान देखून लायट आहा, मागीर हिंगा मुखारचो हिंगा पळय, here you can see little bit dark. The circle that divides the day from the night on the globe is called as circle of illumination. आता तुमचो फिगर पळय, बुकार पळया, फिगर 3.2, फिगर 3.2 तुजो टॅक्स्ट बूक काडून पळय, थिंगा दाखयल्लें आहा पळय, सर्कल ऑफ इल्युमिनेशन. जे संवसारार सुर्याची किरणां पडटात, सुर्याची लायट, सन्स रेज फॉल्स ऑन द अर्थ, ऑन द ग्लोब, आनी तिनच्यान मागीर तो उजवाड, आनी मागीर आहा तो काळोख दिसता पळय. सो वेरेवर द सर्कल ऑफ इल्युमिनेशन, दिस इज कॉल्ड सर्कल ऑफ इल्युमिनेशन. एका वाटेन उजवाड, एका वाटेन काळोख, ताका आमी म्हणटात सर्कल ऑफ इल्युमिनेशन. ती अर्दे वाटेन दीस दाखयता, अर्दे वाटेन काळोख दाखयता. This circle does not coincide with the axis as you see in the figure 3.2. It does not coincide with the axis. These are the axes. तेजेर overlap जायना तो, as you see in the figure 3.2. And Earth takes about 24 hours, 24 तास, 24 वरां लायता तो कितें करूंक, to complete the rotation, to complete the rotation on its axis. तेज्या एक्सिजार गुणोंक, भोंवडोंक, भोंवडी मारूंक, आपल्याच्याच एक्सिजार असो गुणोंक कितलीं वरां लायता, 24 वरां लायता. 24 hours. The earth takes 24 hours to rotate on its axis, and that is why we get day and night. सुर्याक जे फेस आहा ते दुसऱ्या वाटेन वयतात गांव, आनी सुर्याक फेस कोन्न नासले ते गांव 24 वरां जाता म्हणल्यार सुर्याच्या वाटेन येता. दीस डेली मोशन ऑफ द अर्थ वी कॉल्ड एज रोटेशन, एंड दॅट इज एज डे एंड नायट. डे एंड नायट. Now what will happen if the earth did not rotate? आतां कितें जातालें वो संवसार तो रोटेटूच जायनालो. इफ अर्थ वॉज नॉट रोटेटींग कितें जातालें? उजवाड जावचो नासलो, डे एंड नायट आसची नासली. सपोज वी आर इन गालजिबागा एंड इफ युअर अर्थ वॉज नॉट रोटेटींग आनी आमकां काडोक रात आहलोली जाल्यार आख्खे वर्सभर वर्सांचे वर्सां काडोकूच आसतालो. यू वील नॉट एक्सपिरियन्स डे. So that is why it is called when the earth rotates, so it rotates on its axis and it takes 24 hours and we experience day and night. The second motion of the earth, as I explained you, is around the sun. Suryaच्या सौर भोंवतणी घुंवत आसता, भोंवडी मारता. The earth rotates on its axis as well as it goes around the sun. And it takes how many days? 365 days. It takes 365 and quarter day. Odyacho oddo dis. So it will complete 1 year to revolve around the sun. We consider a year as consisting 365 days. आमी कितें करतात? वर्साक 365 days म्हणटात. आनी मागीर आमी कितें करतात? That quarter year. That quarter day, not quarter year, quarter day म्हणजे अद्याचो अर्दो दीस, quarter day जो उरला न्हू तो आमी एकठांय करीत वयतात. And that becomes 6 hours. So that quarter day we add at the end of the 5th year. 6 hours saved every year are added to make 1 day, that is 24 hours over a span of 4 years. 4 वर्सां जावन वयतात म्हणल्यार 4 वर्सांच्या उपरांत आमी कितें करतात? ती 6 वरां आहलेली पळय दर वर्साची ती आमी सेव करतात आनी 4थें वर्स जाता म्हणल्यार आमी तें एड करतात. एंड वॉट वी गेट? दीस सरप्लस डे इज एडेड टू द मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुवरी. अदरवायज एवरी year month of February is having 28 days. So once the 4th year is over, in the 5th year, this 1 day is added for the month of February and we get 29 days. So we get 29 days and that is the year we call as leap year. So leap year, how many days are there? For the leap year, there are 366 days. Otherwise normal 365 days. Eka varsak. 365 days asta, but after the 4th year we add that quarter day of every year, that after the 4th year to the 5th year for the month of February to 28 days alalte 29 days jata, and that is we called as leap year. Now you find out when is the next leap year. This is a leap year or which leap year you find out. You need to find out and let me know. Now from figure 3.3 on your book, you see it is clear that the earth is going round the sun in an elliptical orbit. Notice that throughout its orbit, the earth is inclined in the same direction. The earth is inclined. Masha wankado jallo ha, twist jallo ha, incline. Aso no, aso straight no, incline. Incline, but it goes around the sun on the same orbit. A year is usually divided into summer, winter, spring and autumn season. Seasons change due to change in position of the earth around the sun. Okay. So now next video we will discuss about the seasons, how it goes or how it changes from one season to other season. Today this much is enough for you all. So please go through your books and do the reading. Motions of the earth. How many type of motions are there? 2. One is rotation and one is revolution. Rotation is what? Earth rotates on its axis. Aponus thunsorच gunta 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 gunta. Rotation on its axis. And revolution, earth goes around the sun. Earth goes around the sun. Suryak bondi marta. संसार. तेका आमी म्हणटात revolution. ओके. आता अर्थ त्याच्या एक्सिसार गुणपाक कितलो टायम लायता? 24 hours. 24 तास, 24 hours. And because of that 24 hours, we experience day and night. If earth was not rotating on its axis, वर्सांच्या वर्सां एक सायड काळोख आसतालो, एक सायड उजवाड आसतालो, सुर्याक एकूच सायड फेस करून उरताली. So because earth rotates on axis, we get day and night, and we are experiencing light and dark, because आमकां एक दीस उजवाड मेळटा, एक दीस काळोख जाता. ना तर लायट ना, झाडां बी जेवण तयार करचीं नासलीं, झाडां बी मोत्तालीं, आमकां जेवण मेळचें नासलें. सो इट इज हाव द गॉड हॅव क्रिएटेड द नेचर. ओके. And then about the 365 days for the year. So 365 days for the year, and every quarter day is collected, and it is made into 6 hours, and it is added to the after the 4th year to the month of February. Otherwise February month every year it is 28 days. So after the 4th year, that is the coming 5th year, it is added to the month of February, and it makes 29 days, and that is the year we called as a leap year. Okay, so this much is enough. The seasons we will take into the next video. So my dear students, please read your textbook, find out your own questions and answer. You form your own questions, go read. Once you understand the text, then you form your own questions. How? Now, what is rotation? What is revolution? So like this, what is rotation? Movement of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. Like this. So you read the text, find out your own questions, write your own answers for those questions, and send it to me. I'll go through that, or you copy on your note down on your notebook, and you send your notebooks for the correction. Okay, so we will meet in the next video, where we will continue with the same chapter, and we will understand about the seasons, how seasons are caused. Thank you very much. Enjoy learning.